sa Pilipinas. Kumusta? Gabi na naman. Back to reality na naman bukas. Work is life. At sa bawat minuto aray ko. Kamusta po? Alam mo bang di ka nang sumakong puso ko sa paulit-ulit mukhang delikado ang nanay kong pitilin. Salamat sa 1 million. Hello po. Kumusta? Dito tayo sa labas. Mune-mune ba? Mune-mune. Mune-mune tayo. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you sa Jonah Grimosa. Hello. Hi, Jonah. Hello po, Jonah. Kumusta? Salamat po sa 10 million. Salamat sa nag-like. Thank you po. Parang may tumatawa. Saya lang. Yes. Taga saan po si Jonah? Where are you from, Jonah? Where are you from? Thank you so much for the 15 million in my house. Salamat po. 15 million. Thank you po. Bye. Bye, Jonah. Thank you, Jonah, for visiting my life. Salamat po. Salamat po sa pagbisita sa Bye. Bye, Jonah. Salamat po sa pagbisita. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa 13 million. Ayan. Baka naman po patamsak. Salamat sa tamsak. Salamat sa nagtamsak. Patamsak po. Thank you. Salamat. Ano ba? fresh dito sa labas. Salamat po sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you guys. Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po sa nagtumatambay sa nag-stitchon. Thank you so much po. Kumusta? Pwede magtanong? Anything? Thumbs up Dan. Maganda, Sheryl. Salamat, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you, guys. Salamat po. Maganda talaga. Say hi. Hi. How are you, Greg? How are you, Greg? Almost okay. Almost okay. Now, how are you doing today? I'm fine. Today is Samba Day. Church Day. Family Day. Ganon. Aray. Oh, sakit. Oh. How are you, Greg? Alam mo bang di ka nang sumukong pusa ka? Kumusta, Greg? How are you, Greg? Happy Easter. Maganda share. Salamat. Happy Easter Sunday there also in US. South Carolina, I mean. South, North. Thank you. Always welcome. What are you doing now, Greg? Good morning there. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. 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 Good day. Ano bang nakita mo sa mga puso ko? What are you doing now, Greg? In the streets, somewhere in your heart, to I'm watching TV, cooking dinner. Ah, okay. I'm watching you on my phone, lol. Okay. Okay, thank you, Greg. Salamat. Thank you. Ah, I hope someday you will join us. And I'm not the only one. So, maybe now you know that your love is gone. Thank you for the thumbs up po. How was your church today? Very crowded. Not very. Not very. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's fine. Oh, it's about me. Done. You look cute today. Just cute. Kitty cute. Cute. Just like a dog. Cute. Ah. May aray. That is cute. Ganun. Very, very cute. Ayun na. I don't, I don't, I don't want that cute. I want pretty charot. Akala mo, very, 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 very cute. Thank you, Greg. Salamat. Look, my friends. Ay, nako. Check it out. Cute. The old woman is cute. Greg, I ask you. Oh, wait lang. Parang umulan. I have a question, I mean. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. I enjoyed. I mean, at pang umulan. It's raining. I have a question for you, Greg. What's the question? Alright. Ano? I forgot what I asked. Okay. Lagging. I forgot, wait. Need to refresh my memories, my mind. My question is, I forgot. Yes, I will marry. No, that's not the, no, that's not the question. Oh my god. That's ay, ay, no. Yay. Yay. Says, what a question. How many country you visit pala? How many country you visit? Ay, parang mag nantok na. I felt drunk, I mean. I'm drunk a lot though. I just been to Jamaica and the Bahamas so far. Jamaica. Okay. Sana all. Nakagala. At sa bawat gusto ka nang sumuka. You got hubog today. A little bit hubog. I feel drunk kina. A little bit. A little bit. That's great charot. That's great charot. Remember so well the way that you came into my beautiful smile. My life. How's your son? My son is sleeping. Already sleeping na. He's fine. He's good. He's alright. He's okay. Everything is under control. Charot. Oh my God. School back tomorrow. Vacation here. Vacation now. Here. No school na. No school. Oh. Mm. Summer vacation, yes. Summer vacation. Ah, kurog na gan. Thank you so much, 4 million. What is your question, Greg? Tapos nagtanong yun.
Ano naman ikaw manda?
Madami, may dinuguan, may
Ay mo.
Mana, kung di, dagang tao dito.
Sabi.
Kaya may ipasalubong ko sa inyo. Salamat po. I have many questions for you. Say go ahead, Greg. Ask me what it is. Number 1 question. What is your question? I have so many. Many talaga. What is your question, Greg? Go ahead. Question number 1. Yan na, kinakalive ako. Parungan na ang TV ka. Parungan na ang TV ka. Wala ko mag-iinod. Gab. Hey, dili na. Ina ka, nakalive ako. Nakalive ako. Parungan na ang TV. Why is beautiful girl like yourself single? You know what? Why I'm single? Because someone stole my heart and never turn back again. Charot. Someone I fell in love with very, very far. Long distance LDR. Go, betul parang mana itu?
Kanya bigyan.
Girl like this. Sige, sige na. You only give one man a chance. I thought, before I thought he's, for me when we are communicating each other before, I only, you know, go. I only give my heart with a man, only one. But, di na go. Naka-live ako. But, disappointed. So much. Yes. Only one man. I only give one man a chance. Only one. I reject many. It's, I thought I'm enough, but it's no. You only give. You are supposed to find love again. I thought if I'm loyal and faithful, it's enough. Or maybe just a wrong timing. Wrong person I may be with. I don't know. Or maybe I'm not enough. Talaga. Not enough as the sun. So many reasons. To give up. So maybe you will find another much better than me, like can earn like that. He wasn't enough for you. Now it's time to move on. Yes, it's time to move on. Need to move on. Never cared. You don't care. No plans. No future plans. I don't like that. No plans. It's a red flag. I love making you smile. It was the first, ano, especially the big ones. Weh, charot. Henry Kenyanola, good evening madam. Parang inaantok ka na. Medyo lasing lang. Medyo lang. Medyo nakainom lang, kaya mukhang inaantok. Kumusta ka na, Henry Kenyanola? Kumusta? I never believed in love till we desire that love. Kailang ako, kaya pala mukhang antok. Nakashot pala. Oo nga eh. Medyo nakashot. Nakailang shot. What is the second question, Greg? I want to know. Thank you sa 3 million. Someday. Do you plan on leaving the Philippines, maybe work abroad? Yeah, processing. I will work abroad, living in the Philippines. Maybe this year or next year. Aray ko, nagkatatago. Need to, need to save money for the future, like that. You are a smart and hardworking woman. Ha! I don't know. No, that's not not like that, but it's needed. Need to do it. Pare-pareho lang tayo naka-shot. Nililigo. Naliligo. Kasi kami sa dagat kanina. Saan kayo naligo? Henry. Wow, sana all makapagdagat. Sana all talaga. Naka-vitamin C. Taga saan ka pala, Henry? I heard your poop. I heard your pot. What? Saan dagat kayo napunta, Henry? Sana all nakapagdagat. Shout out mo sa tribo, Tambakan, Iligan City. Hi sa mga taga tribo of Tambakan, Iligan City. Shout out po from Pilipinas. Ay, from Pilipinas, from Bicol. Bicol, Sorsogon po. Shout out po sa inyo. Tambakan, Iligan City. Shout out po from Bicol, Sorsogon. Kumusta kayo dyan? God bless. Ingat lagi. Pagpalain kayo. Pagpalain. Ayan. God bless. My sides. Oh my goodness. What is your next question, Greg? Wala na. Wala na. I thought you have a many question for me. That's it? Just two? One? Pero ka nag-aalab. Gab.
Teka.
Pa lumako. Nantok na. Si Phil sleepy na. God. Just kidding. Do you want to have another child in the future? I don't know. Maybe. I want, of course. I want baby girl because I have a baby boy. Baby girl next. If a little mini Sheryl, yes. A little mini Sheryl. I knew it. The one. Konti na lang ang kulang, mahulog ka dyan, antok ka na. Kaya nga eh, antok na talaga ako. Grabe. Grabing antok ko na. Sarap pala mag-inom, no? Parang kantok na ano. Yung ano lang, tamang ano lang pala. Tamang alak lang, pampantok. Salamat po sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Bibi, by Kano or by affiliate. Anywhere, just we love each other. I love him and he loves me. If we are destiny like that. What happened? I don't know. Ang iniinom amin, marka pa to. Wow, sana. Ang iniinom namin, Gis Imblo Mojito. I'm on my way. Na char. I'm on my way na char. Bacon. Have you had dinner yet? Yes. Yes, Greg. Already. Hindi ko na kaya. Kanagap, maturog na kita. Kanagap, maturog na kita. Ano na yun, mo dito sa sabog. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Alam mo kung ano ang marka ba to? Yung silver. Silver Swan pala yun. Ngayon alam ko na. Thank you. Thank you. Listen, learn, Henry. Hmm. Kurog na gamit. Bye-bye. I'm going to sleep now. Thank you, guys.